Hello dolly friends and welcome to my channel. I've got Hey Besties little dolls. Got friendship makes the heart smile, little QR code you can scan there. And then here is their names are Millie and Hanna. Trying to keep everything from falling. And there's the back. Says, always together, friends forever, besties make every moment brighter, sweeter, and tons of fun. Let's play every day. Hey bestie, you want to play? Join the fun. Millie and Hanna include 2 posable dolls, 2 tots, 1 pair of pants, 1 skirt, and 2 pair of shoes. So, and it comes with that here little hair care guide for them. And this is by 2024 Mason Patat ink. So this is who does the Our Generation 18-inch dolls. I'm sure he's been around for it's a company they're out of Canada. Been around for quite a while. I know Our Generation been around 30 years, so. But they've gotten into these little dolls here. They're new. They're now at your Walmart. I think they're exclusive to Walmart. And so we'll start with Millie, the little redhead. Now the hair is nice and soft. Not, got, there's a little, you might have to work covering. Just not thick hair. It's a little on the thinner side, but it's okay. I think you can work with it and get it to where it doesn't look too bad. Now I think you can kind of maneuver it and get it to where the scalp isn't showing. But anyways, it's a real pretty, that kind of carrot red. She's got green eyes, brown eyebrows, little pale pink lips. She's got the whole cute actual material, not molded on, like a little rainbow top, and then she's got some little pants, light blue, little white polka dots. Got little purple, like a little Snickers, or I think they're little boots. And yeah, they got the bottom ones, they're like a little hiking boot. Everything velcros, or the top velcros. I think the little pants are just elastic, so they just pull on and off. And they had, this is what's so cool about them, means that they had at the shoulder, nice movement at the elbow, no wrist movement though. But you still got a little doll that's got some articulation at the hip and the knee. Don't think there's any ankle. pretty sure. Yeah. And knee articulation. They're really, really cute. So they're probably the size of a Chelsea or your little mini Barbie extras. What is it? Yeah. You know the mini or the mini minis. They're the size of, I'm thinking the Barbie extra minis are what they're the size of. So that is Millie. And so here is Hannah. Hannah's got this blonde, little wavy. Her hair is not quite so, or not. I think maybe it's a little thicker. Not sure because of a curl or what. It's got a little curl at the bottom, but it's just kind of real, kind of golden blonde with the pulled back, the little pigtails, with the little purple holders. And I call these little Mindy ears. And she's got little hazel eyes. And she got a cute little pink, little unicorn shirt. And she's got a little pink skirt with the, got like little, I think those are hearts. Hearts and some other, when I'm really seeing her hearts, it might be something in a little darker pink. And of course she got some little pink, like little Mary Janes on. Really cute, everything. The top is Velcro and the skirt just pulls down. She has the same articulation. The head, shoulders, the elbow, the hip, and the knee. And it's really nice. So, you know, Chelsea doesn't have any articulation. Top is usually molded, so I mean you could rebody Chelsea onto here if you like the Chelsea face better, but I kind of like these. I kind of think they're cute. So that is it. That is what they don't really, you know, not any accessories or anything, but I think these were $9.90 something. I think they averaged out at about $4 something a doll. So that's not bad at all. It's really, yeah, I know Chelsea, I haven't gotten one in a long time, but I think there were about 9 at one point. I'm not sure what they are, but I just thought they were cute. They got nice little outfits, little shoes. The hair is nice. This one is, you know, could have had a little thicker hair, but I think it'll kind of work itself out to where it's not so, I think because it was pulled up and pigtails and stuff and packaging, it's gonna take it a bit. I think it'll eventually kind of settle down to not have the gap in the back. I might have to, you know, maybe let it down. But the hair is nice and shining. Feels soft. It feels soft. feels like, you know, our generation hair, I think is pretty much what it is. So, that is my new Hey Bestie little, and I have, so there these two. No, I think there's several others. One is they're like sleepover, dressed in little pajamas and stuff. I think there's another. This is more like the play. But you know, they're little play outfits. And I have one that has that comes with a little pony. They have all kinds of, they have little play stuff, little bunk beds, and different little play sets for them. So really keep together. There's all along the wall there at Walmart. So anyway, this is just kind of unboxing and showing these little new dolls. Hey Besties. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.